Hello students. Today's discussion is about the electronic configuration of D block elements. Before moving on to that, we will learn about what are the different groups involved in D block. The 40 different elements are arranged in the groups starting from 3 to 12. So group wise study becomes very difficult. So we resort to a easier method where we have classified the different elements in 4 different series. The series are 3D series, 4D series, 5D series and 6D series. So today we'll be discussing the electronic configurations of the first two series. First series, 3D series. It starts from scandium to zinc. Scandium configuration is argon 4s2 3d1. Argon is the closest noble gas with 18 electrons and we follow the Aufbau principle, so it has the configuration argon 4s2 3d1. Titanium argon 4s2 3d2. Vanadium argon 4s2 3d3. Chromium, we expect a configuration to be argon 4s2 3d4, but due to the promotion of one electron from the s orbital to the d orbital, it attains an extra stability for half-filled orbitals. So chromium has the configuration argon 4s1 3d5. Manganese has the configuration argon 4s2 3d5. Iron has the configuration argon 4s2 3d6. Cobalt argon 4s2 3d7. Nickel argon 4s2 3d8. Copper, we expect a configuration to be argon 4s2 3d9, but when one electron is promoted to d orbital, it gets a fully filled d orbital which is extra stable. So copper has the configuration argon 4s1 3d10. Zinc has the configuration argon 4s2 3d10. So on examining the configurations of the first series, we find that the 3D is not occupying 4 electrons or 9 electrons in it. Coming to the second series, that is the 4D series, where the d orbitals are being progressively filled up. The starting element is yttrium with atomic number 39. So the noble gas closest to that is krypton with 36 electrons, followed by 5s2 and 4d1. Here also Aufbau principle is followed. Next element is zirconium, krypton, 5s2, 4d2. A few elements coming after that are having a peculiar configuration. Niobium, krypton, 5s1, 4d4. Molybdenum, krypton 5s1 4d5. Technetium, krypton 5s1 4d6. Ruthenium, krypton 5s1 4d7. Rhodium, krypton 5s1 4d8. And palladium is having a still more peculiar configuration, krypton 5s0 4d10. Silver has the configuration krypton 5s1 4d10 and cadmium has the configuration krypton 5s2 4d10. On examining the pattern here, you find that d orbitals are not occupying 3 electrons and 9 electrons in the 4d in the series. So we can generalize the general electronic configuration of d block elements to be n-1, d1 to 10, ns 102, where n stands for the ultimate or the valence electrons and the penultimate orbital n-1 is the d orbital. Hope you have understood. We'll follow the configurations for the next two series in the next video. Thank you.